Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. My name is Kenny. I talk about everything natural hair. Okay, if you are an old Sovi, I love you already. So today we are about to make our hair, and this time we got it right. Okay, so the very first thing I did was to wet my hair was already wet. I just washed and I used the Kenny's twist and define cream. Guys, if you have not gotten this particular hair butter you're missing because the rate at which Amatan is showing us shege in February. Anyways, I applied that on my hair and I love the result. It's instant. It's not, oh, do this and you see it. It's instant. It just makes your hair soft, moisturized and all that. So I sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and for some weird reason I did not see my clips. I don't know where they all went to, so I had to use rubber bands, but I coated all my rubber bands with oil and my smaller rubber bands as well, because I know I said we're going to like make our hair ourselves, but your girl has still not mastered the act of braiding the roots of her hair. So, and I wanted it to be firm and all of that, so I had to use the rubber band to serve as that part I'm supposed to braid. Okay, so if you can braid the root of your hair, so you can just ignore the rubber band. But if you have any issue with rubber band, the fact that you are coating it with your oil, you don't have any issue again. So what I did is I placed the rubber band. I don't know if you guys will just get it. Like, I just tied the rubber band to the root of my hair. I sectioned my hair into 2 parts and dragged it down to give it a firmer look, but not too tight. And then I twisted it all down. Then I decided to spice things up with this white bead that I've never used before. I just had it in my hair corner and I've never used it at all. So I was like, let me just try to you know put it at the root of my hair. But guys, if you have bubble pin, it will be way more easier to insert this bead into your hair, because I had issues with it. And mind you, am I the only one? I bought 2 packs of bobby pins and I could not even find just one. I could not find one bubble pin. Like, those things develop legs. I'm not the only one on this table. So let me know in the comment section if I'm on this table alone or if you guys are with me. Anyways, let me just run you through another section I did. The rubber band to the root of your hair, twist your hair all the way down. Then if you have a bead you just want to accessorize, you can do that. And that is pretty much what I did for all the strands of my hair. Make sure you're not pulling your hair too tight, so that the rubber band will not have any effect on your hair. And the fact that you already coated the rubber band with any oil of your choice, you are good to go. Okay, so if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And I feel like you might want to ask that, or what if the rubber band cut off or burst out? Don't worry guys, there is no cause for alarm. So I'm done, like halfway done, and I am amazed at the result. Like, it is giving everything it's supposed to give. The back is not backing but anyways, I still love how it is looking. But let me just know if you are feeling this hairstyle, because I was feeling it. But it took me to do the entire half of this hair, it took me more than an hour to do the first part of the hair. And I could say, and I was very tired. I was very tired. So the remaining part of the hair, I resolved to like watching a movie to just not make it too stressful for me. And this is the result. In total we used about 2 hours to do all of this. I was super excited. I applied oil to my scalp rather, and I just gave my scalp like a massage here and there to reduce all tension. And this is me just shaking my hair. I wanted to pack it, but I'm like, nah, it's not giving. This is the end result, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm in love with this hair. Like, I'm so in love with this hair. But let me know what you guys think. This is my victory dance. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Yeah, that's the post notification bell. And drop a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget that I love you, but God loves you more. Bye guys.